guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to multiply your succulents quicker, how to get succulents faster than just propagating leaves. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay guys, so like I said, we're going to talk about how to multiply your plants a little bit quicker than just propagating the leaves. And some of these I'll be able to give you exact dates because it was documented on, for some reason I took a picture or something like that, or I videoed it. So I can tell you this one was February 20th. I beheaded this is an Echeveria subscilis, in February 20th, and look at all the growth. It's not only the growth, but look at how many plants I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 heads in there. I can easily cut these and plant them, and they'll grow just fine. They already have roots at the bottom right there, as you can see. Look at all those roots. So this is a really good and quick way to behead your plants. You don't want to go too high and you don't want to go too low, and you also don't want to behead a stem that's not mature. So here's an example of a stem that's not mature, so that you wouldn't behead. So let's talk about my Kalanchoe pink butterflies. This was my first plant. This plant was 2 stems. It had 2 actual stems, you know, like 1 each, and then on the stem itself it had 2. So what I did was I took 2 plants and I made 4 plants. So now I had 6. Then that one was this one. Then after that one was mature, I beheaded it again. And look at how beautiful the new growth. I beheaded this, I want to say, like 3 to 4 weeks ago. I beheaded that, and look at how beautiful it is. You can't even tell that I beheaded it. And this one is the one from that. And the stem was mature. I can tell the different, it's a little bit different in color, and it's more firm. This one is obviously new, so that's not ready. But within a couple of months, you probably could, if you wanted to. You just have to go by what the stem looks like. So how quickly I did that. I got 6 plants, right? Then out of 6, so out of those 6, right, I had 6. I had 4 in one pot and 2 here. 4 and 2. I still have 2 there. There's 2 there and 4 in there. So I beheaded those, got 4 out of that one, and I still have 4. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pink butterflies. They also split. Oopsie, these are so sensitive. They also split right there. So I have a stem going this way and a stem going that way. So when those get taller and they mature, I can behead them, and it's just gonna keep going the cycle. Okay, so that one's a good one to do that, right? I don't know if these will keep doing a cycle. I have no idea. Maybe later on, but not now. This one was recently beheaded. This was a month ago. I beheaded this on June 22nd. And when you look at it, this is not going to give you babies, right? Because you don't see them coming from the top, but it is giving me babies. Oh, there's babies. Let me see. There's a baby right there. There's another baby right there. And then there's another one right here. And it might give me more, I don't know. They're all different. This is, that's a Murasaki. This is an Echeveria Pearl von Newtonberg. And I do remember that I did behead this in the winter time. Before this one, I believe. It was before this one. So it's in the winter time, and look at all that beautiful growth. Very nice. And then my Echeveria chroma, this one was originally connected to these stems, and I beheaded. They're doing well. They rooted well. And these are the babies. And I had already taken a baby out. And then I think this is Echeveria, I think frills or curls, I can't remember how you say it. This one, look at how many babies. And the mom is doing awesome in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Some of them, the leaves look like something is going on there. Some type of fungus, but it's not, it hasn't been spreading, so I'll have to see if I can treat it with something. I have something, so I have to spray that. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys how easily you can multiply your plants. Just make sure not to go too high or too low. You can kind of see there how high I went. You can see the, let me see if you can see that. Oh, careful. See the stem right there? Oopsie, I knocked the leaf. Goodness. That one's not too high. You can see, I think that's about 2 inches. This one is very tall. This is what, 5 inches, 5 to 4 inches. This one was tall too, as you can see. And I left leaves on top. When I beheaded, you don't have to, because I don't think I did that with this one. But with this one and with that one, I did let leaves, I don't know, just in case. Because I had just started doing this. So I just wanted to share with you guys another way that you can multiply your plants, not only by propagation or cuttings, but beheading plants. And don't throw away the stems. So many times I almost threw the stems away, like this one. I almost threw them away so many times, and I wouldn't. And look what happened now. Also, I just want to remind you guys. So my plants are in a greenhouse. They don't get water directly on them. When I water them here in the dirt or underneath. So I don't have to worry about the stem getting raw. If you do behead your plant, you need to put it somewhere where it gets light, but water won't come in through the stem because it will rot your plant. So that's what you don't want. That's very important. I don't know what you might want to try to use to seal it. Some people say glue. Some people say nail polish. It's just the best thing to do is put it somewhere for now where it's going to get really good light but not get rained on. Okay, so those are my tips to multiplying your plants. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.